Hi guys, Bob from Greybeard Models. I thought about time we had a quick review of what we've done this year. If you've been following the channel, you'll know that I'm in the middle of building the Panzer repair kit, the big mini art kit. That's taking some time. Been at that now since I think about April, so you know, best part of nearly a year coming up. We're also building the new Gecko K2 general service truck, so we've got that's in the middle of being built, but just thought I'd put up a little slideshow to show you what we've built so far this year. And if I don't see you before or speak to you before, I'd like to wish all of my subscribers, new and old, a very Merry Christmas and a great New Year, and I hope Santa brings you the kit of your dreams in his huge swelling sack. Enjoy the slideshow.